Hi everyone! Kumusta po kayong lahat? I hope everyone is doing well. It's summer again and this is the time we spend more time outdoors, and for sure it's gardening time, diba? So this plant has been sitting outside for a year already, over a year, and as you have noticed, this needs help. It looks lovely, but it has more gaps and spaces. But this one, you can always fix it. It's super easy, and stay with me. I'm gonna show you how I do it. So I have some cuttings here, ready to fill in the gaps. So this will be the front one. Plant some rosettes in the gaps. This is so dry. So I'll plant it here on the side. The important thing about this is just to make sure it's balanced. Oh, look, it's already rooted. I can actually plant this. So later I'm gonna add the soil. Right now I'm positioning all the rosettes and trying to angle the zebra plant. I'm gonna cut some of the roots are kind of long, so this will be on the side. On the side. Oh wait, I see like dead stem. Makeover. And this one, what do you guys think? Looks good? Yeah, looks good. Then I can add the soil, as I said, and this is kind of really sticking out, and I'm thinking of taking this out. Yeah, so I'll cut this one, I'll remove this. Used to be just one rosette, but look at that. And then I can use some of the cuttings here. Okay, taking out one rosette. I'm gonna add the soil first. Soil. Okay. Don't worry about the mess. Always clean up afterwards. That's part of the experience. Okay, so that one, and then this rosette goes here. Maybe one or two more rosettes. This one, this stem is big, longer. Okay. And then filler, kind of look bald in the middle, so you want that this time. This is the secret of arrangement. These fillers are very, very helpful for arrangement. This is the dressing. This is it. But since I have an available moss, you can always finish it up with the moss. This side here, I'm gonna put the But if you don't have it, it's okay. You don't need to. You don't have to. Really. Okay. We're good. And here is the finished product. Yeah. I hope you like this video. And if you do, please consider subscribing for more gardening tips.